Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I'm happy to announce a new update for Contentomatic, and this time Article Forge API was improved, and I also updated the plugin to make it function with the latest API changes from Article Forge. So if you check the Article Forge website, you will see that it provides unique articles based on simple keywords you enter. I will link also Contentomatic and Article Forge and in this video's description, so if you want to grab them you can do this from the links from the description of this video. So let me show you how the plugin will function starting from now and what it has got improved in the latest update. So be sure to have the Article Forge API key set here in the plugin's main settings, and afterwards you can input a simple keyword, let's say acne, and the plugin will automatically generate articles based on this keyword you enter. So the latest update, you will see that the article length settings field, you will also have very long article generation possibility. So this was not there until now, but starting from now this will be also available. And also please note that if you use the very long article length settings, you also need to set between 4 and 8 section headings. So this is a requirement that if you set very long articles and you want to get very long articles, you also need to enter between 4 and 8 section headings in the section headings settings field. So you can enter section heading settings field a list of comma separated section headings that you would like to appear in the article. So let's say I am very proud of my acne. Let me show you details about acne. Let's not leave this, so let's not leave spaces after the comma, and also capitalize the beginnings. Acne in 2022, details about acne, how to get rid of acne. So let me check how many I got. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, okay, so I am good because I should enter between 4 and 8. So minimum 4 and maximum 8 section headings can be entered separated by commas. And now let's go ahead and save settings, and let's check also our site, it's empty, and let us run importing now, and the plugin will automatically create the article. So be sure, if you want to wait this out, be sure to wait the generation, because Article Forge generates articles in between 1 to 2, maybe max 3 minutes. So until then you can go to the plugin's main settings and check the enable detailed logging for rules checkbox and save settings, and afterwards you can go to activity and logging, and here you will see the progress of which the Article Forge API is making. So you can keep on refreshing this page and you will see that this is a percentage of how much is generated of the article on Article Forge part. So this spinner will keep spinning until this will not go to 1. When it will go to 1, the generation process of the article will be done and the article will be ready, and we will be getting the article posted to our site here. So we can go back and check the progress. Until then, I recommend that you click the links from this video description to check Contentomatic. It can also generate articles from Article Builder and Article Forge. So these are two similar services. Contentomatic will work with both of them. So this update mainly focuses on Article Forge and it is about the text length of article length of the generated content. Also section headings, this is also a new feature, this was not here until now. So keep in mind, you can add section headings and create very long articles. If you create very long articles, you must enter, this is a requirement, between 4 and 8 section headings. And also section headings can be entered like this: for very long articles between 4 and 8, for long articles between 3 and 5, for medium articles between 2 and 3. For very short and short articles, section headings are ignored. So only for very long articles the section headings are required. For the rest of the article length, for medium and long, they are not required but optional. So we can check back now on the progress, and we have 78% now done of our article. I will keep on talking for about a minute, and after a minute we will get our article posted here on this testing site. So 82%, and the plugin is still spinning. Also be sure to increase your max execution time in PHP settings, because as you see, Contentomatic generates articles from Article Forge in about 2 to 3 minutes. So you might want to increase your maximum execution time in PHP settings, just to be sure that your server is not breaking the execution of the plugin because of this max execution time settings limitation. So after you increased your max execution time settings field on your server, if you don't know how to do this, you should contact your server's hosting provider support. Okay, so yeah, we jumped to 87%. Every 10 seconds we will be showing this message. So we got, let's check how many of these, 21. So 210 seconds passed. It seems that it takes a bit longer than also 3 minutes to generate very long articles from Article Forge Spark. So be sure to increase your max execution time to at least 10 minutes, I guess, because 10 minutes might be needed for articles in some cases. However, we are near the end, as 0.92% of, so 92% of the article is already created, and when the creation process is done, the article will be pushed to our site. So yeah, let's wait this out. Let's refresh this a bit more. 95%. We are almost there, guys. We are almost there, and we got our our very long article published on our site. So yeah, here it is. The article is ready, and now it is publishing right now on our site, because API finished processing and the green check mark appeared. And if we refresh our site, here it is: acne 5 beauty trends to watch out for. I am very proud of my acne 2022, details about acne, and here a YouTube video about acne. So as you can see, this is the Article Forge latest very long articles, also with section headings and YouTube videos, images, and it is a really cool thing to have for your site. So go ahead, guys, and check Contentomatic and also Article Forge, link from this video description. And until next time, have a nice day. Please subscribe to this channel, it is really appreciated, it really helps this channel. Bye bye.